Welcome to Kxng Katz Garage.
Welcome to Kxng Katz Garage. Welcome back to Kxng Katz Garage. Welcome back to Kxng Katz Garage.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Kxng Katz Garage, and today I'm going to be fixing the fence. Yeah, so got the fence here. Of course, this is more the gate. Let's see if I can show you a little bit more here. All right, got the gate. Got some security measures here, right? Because I've got dogs and I've got one with a bit of high anxiety. Right, so we got screws. You know, I had to fix the fence with what I had, little bits and pieces of fence. So I have some escape artists breaking down the fence just to get out, right? You know, you got those dumbasses popping fireworks and shit. And, you know, just loud cars, loud noises, construction going on, and different things. So I had to figure out some sort of ways to be able to fix the fence, kind of. Right, and now it's come time where, see if you can see it, I've got planks. So now I'm about to fix the fence right. So first thing I've got to do is unscrew all of these different call it screws here. Don't know why that'd be all that, right? But yeah, so go ahead and get started. Put the camera here. Time to get at it. Let's get at it. So go ahead and save my screws. Pop a little pile there. Throw away all the broken pieces. Right, screws out the fence. Got my screw pile. Progress. All right, so now let's go to the other side and get that piece off. Okay, here we are on the other side of the fence. Right, I got my fence post, or my mailbox post here. 2 screws there, 2 screws over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that down. It's probably gonna fall backward, or I can hold it. I can hold it. 2 screws down. 2 more to go on that side. Oh yeah, there we go. And the Wuffy's barking. Okay, so right, it took my anti-dog jumping contraption down there, and right, you may be wondering why that's there. Right, and this was to simply block the dog you may be hearing barking now. From doing that. She's tried many forms of escape, and that was one of them. All right, so now, all right, I got some screws here on the outside of different planks I tried to screw in. Right? Now I'm gonna take those apart. So here we go. There's one. Now for the other. Have a little bit of screw pile on this side. Alright. So we got that one down, and that's technically the first plank right there. Got some new planks. So I think I'm going to need 5 planks in total to fix it. What's up? Good, how about you? Oh no, I'm good, bro, thank you. Wow. That was nice. How many people say stuff like that? Or do stuff like that? Anyway. Part of the old locking mechanism off. All right. I'm going to go ahead and take that lock piece off right there at the bottom, or in that that little piece right there. This one has got screws, and then this part here. This one is bolted from the other side, so I don't know about that. That may just come off, honestly. So, here we go. All right. Little one down here. Come on, you can do it. Up, oh, yeah. All right. My little screw pile there. Okay. So now, right, that's 1. Here's 2. The remainder is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 planks that we're going to replace. Right, we got our 5 different planks, got the 5 pieces here. I'm about to go get a hammer and I'll be back. All right, back with the hammer. So now we remove the nails from these other boards. Let's get to it. Open up the remainder of the nail. All right, I'm gonna pull these nails out and then try to knock them back and back them out to get this last plank here, right, with the big old hole in it. Right, big old hole in it, get that one out. That's part of one of the 5. So, here we go. breaking the plank. I don't even see this other nail. So what am I gonna do? I guess what I'm gonna do is just crank up the board. Hope it comes out, right? Oh, how about that? Came right off. Alright. So that's the top section of. There we go. Bottom section. Now I'm going to tap this one back. Turns out a little more. Tap it back. Okay, maybe not. Let's do it up again. Oh. Alright. Well, that's working. So. Yeah, back that one out. You know what's great about this though? I'm gonna be using screws to put this back together. One more hand. Alright. That nail's out, so that board's pretty much almost off. Now to the bottom. Alright. Let me get those bottom nails out. Yes, indeed. That plank's coming apart. Oh.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you all for watching. Lead yourself to your greatest victory. Lead yourself to your greatest victory.
Peace.